Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making Kung Pao Chicken. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's make the Kung Pao sauce. You'll need 15 milliliter of water, 15 milliliter of Xinjiang vinegar, 8 milliliter of white vinegar, and some sugar. Stir until the sugar is fully dissolved, then add some tomato ketchup and bring it to a boil. That's it! You've got a tangy, sweet, and flavorful Kung Pao sauce ready to go. Easy, right? Next, let's prepare the ingredients. Dice the cucumber, slice the red shallots, garlic and ginger, cut the green onions into sections, and chop the dried chili peppers into small pieces. With everything ready, we can start cooking. Heat up some oil in a pan. Watch the chicken pieces sizzle and turn golden brown, filling your kitchen with an irresistible aroma. Mouth-watering already, isn't it? Now, add the sliced red shallots, garlic, ginger, dried chili peppers, and green onion sections into the pan. Pour in some olive oil and continue to stir fry, and the aroma will fill the kitchen. Next, toss in the diced cucumber and season with a little salt. Stir everything together. Then, add the cooked chicken back into the pan, pour in the prepared Kung Pao sauce, and quickly stir to combine. Finally, sprinkle with roasted peanuts, and there you have it, a plate of delicious, aromatic Kung Pao chicken that's sure to impress. Just look at those colors and smell that amazing aroma. Enjoy! Friends, you must try our Kung Pao chicken. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.